All right, let's look at a couple of these word problems. Trevor needs a new bicycle tire. His tire has a circumference of about 112 inches. What is the diameter of his tire? So this question, it gave you the circumference and it is asking you for the diameter. This is when we have to undo the equations and start doing them backwards. Start out with your formula. What is our formula for circumference?
C equals pi d.
C equals pi d. This question gave you the circumference. So we're going to put the 112 where?
In front of the pi. Like, in front of...
Yeah, in front of pi, in front of the equal sign, in place of the C.
Yeah.
Okay, so 112 equals, what is pi? 3.14, and we are looking for D.
3.14.
That is just a shortened version of pi is 3.14.
Why?
When you get into some of the other maths, you'll be asked to use 22 over 7.
Why can't it be 3.15?
Because that's another approximation, or you may just be told to leave it with the pi symbol there. So right now we're just practicing one method. How will you solve this equation, Sam? You're already saying what to do. Divide it. We're going to divide the equation by 3.14 on both sides. And it will tell you that the D is equal to, and it does say round to the nearest tenths place. Sam?
35.7.
It is 35.7 inches. D equals 35.7 inches. Okay? And you just did your problem in reverse.
Okay, can we get more?
We're going to write a couple notes on these right quick.
Oh.
All right? And then I'm going to let you loose. All right. Number 2, you're finding circumference. Number 3, this is where I want us to kind of write ourselves a little piece of information. Brad is putting up a 10-foot diameter circular flower garden in his yard. He will put plastic edging along the flower bed. How many feet of edging will Brad need to enclose the flower garden? If I am enclosing it, I am putting something around the flower garden. If it's a circle and I'm going around it, is it area or circumference? Circumference goes around. So part A is a circumference question. Okay. D, how many square feet of land is in Brad's garden? If we're mentioning a square unit,
What happened to Gene?
you are finding the area.
Gene died. Oh, let's go.
Okay? So if I'm going around the circle, it is circumference. If I'm filling the circle in, or I'm trying to figure out how much space it takes up, or you see square units, it is an area question. We good? All right. You have the rest of the, listen carefully, you have the rest of the class period to work on these small groups. Stay focused. Your homework, which is due no later than 11:59 on Sunday, there is a maze on Canvas. One of those mazes, you drag the arrow and let me know which direction you took through it, and then you submit it through Canvas. If there's an internet issue, I will get you a paper copy of this if you need it.
Can I get a paper copy?
Are we clear?
I want a paper copy.
I prefer it to be done on the computer unless there's an internet issue. All right, you're free to work.